Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove assistive access to the accessibility shortcut on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Accessibility Shortcut. In here, tap on Assistive Access. Tap on the menu item to turn it off or add it to the menu. So when there is a checkbox right next to it, it is available in the Accessibility Shortcut menu. Now if I triple click or triple press on the sub button here, 1, 2, 3, you can see from my menu there is now an assistive access shortcut. If I deselect it, it will be removed from the menu, and there is now no assistive access shortcut. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.